What's up, internet marketers? It's Ike Paz, and today I'm going to show you how to make covers for KDP low content puzzle books for free, or activity books, or any type of low content books, without design skills, without coding, and without much time at all. Okay. And also make sure to like and subscribe to get more tutorials, case studies like these, where I show you how to profit online in various different ways. And you're gonna wanna make sure to stay until the very end to get my entire process on creating cover pages, PDF pages for your KDP low content books. And I'm also gonna give you a low content puzzle book course, okay? And this is absolutely for free, okay? So I use this paid program, but I also have down below, I have a link where I show you how to create 3 different types of puzzle books or activity books with 3 different types of puzzles, okay? And actually coloring books as well, completely free. I have all the resources here, are 100% free for these 3 different types of books, activity books. So you're gonna want this down below, and make sure to bookmark this, because I'm gonna be adding more content, more ways to help you create these activity books 100% for free, okay? But I'm gonna use this software because it's just really, it just cuts the time in half. Even it cuts the time by a lot more than half, I should say. But anyways, let's say I want to create let's create some Sudoku and I want to create a combo type of activity book where it's 1 part Sudoku, 1 part maze. Okay, so I'm gonna create quantity. Let's make this 20 easy Sudoku games, okay? And I'm gonna download that here. Get the solutions as well. So I'm gonna download this, and I'm going to download the solutions as well. And then I'm gonna go back here, and I want to also get some mazes. And let's get some of these diamond mazes here, and 20 of these. Okay, include maze numbers? No. Okay, so I'm gonna do that, and now I'm gonna click the PDF and save those, and then I'm going to download the solutions as well. Okay, download those. Okay, now that I have my printables, my KDP interior book, I gotta put it together. By the way, I'm gonna be showing you how to create this exact cover for this book. But first, I want to combine my books, the different aspects of my interior of my puzzle book, which is an easy Sudoku / maze book. Okay, so I'm gonna go to downloads, and it should pop up any second now. Okay, cool. So here we have the diamond mazes and Sudoku. Okay, and then I'm gonna add the solutions, which are the solutions for the mazes. And towards the end of the book, you always want your solutions, right? And your solutions for the Sudoku. Very good. Once this is done, I'm gonna click combine, and that's it. I'm done. I have an interior for my KDP. See, this is my interior. Here's a bunch of diamond mazes, and it's gonna get into the Sudoku really quick after 20 pages. Sudoku, Sudoku, Sudoku. Everything is easy. Solutions are at the bottom. Okay, we're done with that. Now I want to create this cover book. Okay. Now again, guys, actually make sure you go down below and get this 100% free method. I actually show you how to create mazes for free, interiors for free, how to create Sudoku for free. So you don't need this software at all. This just makes things easier, but you don't need it. You can do it all for free down below. Okay, let's get to the cover book. Okay, so first you want to do is go to Canva, and this is 8x5. This is basically US letter size. Okay, so we want to the interiors are, so that means your cover books are. Always make sure that they coincide, right? Your cover dimensions and your interior dimensions. Make sure they make sense together, okay? So I'm gonna go to custom dimensions here. Click custom dimensions. Whoa, that kind of blew up the wrong way. Custom dimensions. And what are the dimensions again? Factoring in the bleed, 17.8, 17.84, I believe. Was it 8.4? Yes, and 11. Oh, I made a mistake. Inches. Don't forget to keep this in inches. 17.84 and 11. What? 11.25. Okay, cool. 11.25, and then create a new design. Okay. So now that we're inside of here, I'm gonna go to my uploads, and I have this. Actually, I have this template. Not template, but this bleed graph that I'm gonna lay over, that I actually made specifically for Canva. It's different from the one that you get via Amazon. I'm gonna have this, by the way, for free. I'm gonna have this free little bleed graph for free sometime in the near future. I'm gonna drop it in here along with these other puzzles. So if you want to pick that up for free, just make sure you click the link down below and pick that up. Okay. I hope that helps you out. Anyways, let's go back to the tutorial. Okay, so here I am inside. I'm gonna make things nice and simple. Okay, I'm gonna keep the background black. Okay, again, I'm making this for you. Okay, I'm making this exact one. Okay, so and now I'm going to go to text. Okay, it's called bcubic or bicubic. Okay, let's use this one just for example's sake. Let's make this easy Sudoku plus maze, right? Like that, and maybe shrink it down. Shrink it down some more. Nice and easy. No fuss, no muss. Let's make the easy. Let's make that yellow. How about that? Keep that nice and yellow. Very good. Now what I want to do is I want to copy this. So I'm going to bring that over. I'm going to click this copy button right here, this duplicate button right here. This one right here. Let me hit that a couple times. And I'm going to maybe duplicate it 3 times. Okay. Now that I duplicated it 3 times, what I'm going to do is, now follow along. You don't watch this until the very end because there's some tips and tricks here that you need. Okay, you need these tips and tricks. Okay, I'm going to highlight all 3. Just drag your mouse over all 3 fonts. Click group. Okay, now duplicate again. Now it makes things much easier, as you can imagine. Duplicate again. Much easier, you see that? But there's more to learn, so stick around. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you like this, by the way. And one more. Okay, this look good? How about now? I'm gonna highlight all of them. Maybe do it like this. Okay, I like this. And then I'm gonna copy that and bring it over to this side. Like that. Okay, make sure everything's aligned. The beauty about Canva is it has this snap grid. It lets you know when you're off tilt or you're not exactly in center. Okay, so I'm done with the text. What I'm gonna do is get rid of the template here. Okay, like that. And I'm going to download this. So I'm gonna click download, just like that. Okay, once I'm done downloading, I'm going to go into my my download section, click uploads on Canva. I'm gonna drag my image right on over to the upload section. Okay, I'm gonna duplicate this. I'm I'm gonna get rid of everything here. Now just follow along. You're gonna understand in a second. I'm gonna dump my image in here. Just like that. I'm gonna add, actually, I'm gonna add an element here. I'm gonna add a square. One second. Just fit the square, turn it into a rectangle, and bring it down towards the bottom to get rid of that last text. Make that black. Now everything fits together. What do we want to do now, really important, is make it a little bit transparent. I'm gonna bring it down to 58. 59 is good. 60, let's make it a nice round number. 60, okay. One second. Okay, cool. Now that we have that, let's add that grid again so that I don't make any mistakes. Where is the upload section here? Put that grid in there. Okay, just like that. Oh. Okay, now I want to add a maze. Maybe flip it around. Like that. Shrink it down a notch. Let's align it with Canva over here. Maybe turn it around just a bit more. Keep things nice and symmetrical. Beautiful. Now, I got this image. You can create these images using my free guide down below on how to create Sudoku and mazes, or you can go to Pixabay and just search for maze, okay, and Sudoku, and you will find public domain images to use. Just scroll down, you'll find something, okay? So I got this maze in here, and I'm gonna use some Sudoku as well. This one right here. I should delete that. Now I have my book cover done. I'm gonna download this. Oh, really important point I forgot. You wanna download this as a PDF print, extremely important. And make sure you choose the right number, okay? Because when you upload your product to Amazon's KDP network, they want everything in PDF print, okay? There you go. If you have any questions, anything at all, let me know down below. If you have better resources than I do, let me know. I'm always looking for better resources, paid ones and free ones. I want to know both, okay? So I can better help the community that I'm in. Be good, take care, and have a wonderful day or night. Be good. Bye-bye.